it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Today, guys, we are with Alkaline. Yes, man. The man got small my stallion to 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Yeah. Man himself with accomplishment. It's an official visualizer. So I'm sure later on down the line we will get a music video. Just like how we did with Blanco. So we're going to jump in that one on here with the GSA. Remember, I will be pausing this shit a lot because I will be breaking down as much as what I can understand from it. You understand? So I'm going to pause. Who don't like the pausing? Pause yourself out of here. See the doors there? Pause out. From now. So come in the section, come tell me. Come in the comment section, come tell me something talk too much. Come in the comment section, come tell me pass too much. Yeah, I just block your blood clock. I just saw my feel. I go block you. Yeah, I just saw my feel, brother. Because I don't want to say I go pause. I go talk. Yeah? So when I like it, drop asleep and don't wake up with that. Anyway, let's go. Yeah. Alkaline. Accomplishment. Let's go. Let's put on the concentration hat. Let's go. Yo, so we see Alkaline, him say nerd out. So him a embrace the title where them give it to him. Where them give him things say yo, it a gonna be something where I got tear him down. No, him a tell say yo, whatever you want to call me, I am that person. I'm the nerd. Them they call Alkaline nerd. Alkaline say yo, I'm the fucking nerd. Nerd out. Noble nerd. Yes.
Hey, yo.
Who produced that one? Big up the production team. I don't see nothing flash because the screen face say who produced it, but big up on yourself.
Righteous brute. Yeah.
There you go. Atabam, big up yourself. Big up yourself. Production team, big up yourself. You know hear what go on? You know hear what go on, brother? Them way them man. Check it. Hold on there. Yo, check him on the way I make, brother. Enough couldn't stay calm. Enough for the hype. I'm bumbuckler pop down, but guess what? I just humble with it. I'm just go and deal with them. I deal. They know it think to cause money. Enough over here, so. That's what the G tell us. Without boasting, alright?
She say me look nice, remember when me did one gunshot kill, so accomplishment.
She said me look nice. Remember when me did warm? Remember when me did ugly? Remember when me did ugly? No, me warm. Money make anybody warm. Money make anybody look no. Money make anybody look pleasant to the eye. Yes. Them say gunshot kill. But accomplishment arm. So if him don't tell us say yo. The song name accomplishment. So he's referring to himself as accomplishment. So gunshot kill, accomplishment arm. Him he is accomplishment. So he's armed. He's armed. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell you. So bye. Let's go. So him got in wardrobe now. Him got in wardrobe and tell us say yo. The beats and bad. Change the garments, put on the bodies. Hottest. The G is fashionable. That's what I'm tell you. The G is fashionable. That's what I'm tell you. Let the fans want to say, man.
Why you the bodies? Still me be modest. One job business, shut up me office.
Wardrobe the bodies. Wardrobe the body. So them look you over there. So you see that I wear with whatever them are wear. No. My wardrobe the body. So where so just know that. What am say after that?
Wardrobe the bodies. Still me be modest. One job business. Shut up me office.
Still me is the bodies. That's what I'm saying, sir. Hold on, man. Do me thing, get papers, turn me abyss. So do him thing and getting papers, I'm abyss. Remember, the first man, I listen to the track, At the first, I listen to the track. So Me have to try pick up everything when I say and put it in my own words. That's how I do right so. Reaction is different from reviewing. Alright? If you don't know. Reaction different from the first. Any song you see me react to over here so as a new song at the first I listen to it. I don't listen to it and try get the first. So let's go.
Watch you the bodies, still me be modest. One job business, shut up, me have this man.
Yo, what do you think about that one? Cause I just said I would say the Blanco video drop. No, we get a song. I drop them in pairs. Like I put out projects in pairs. I like it, dad.
Don't answer me over to myself. Don't get ignorant and put on shelf.
Go out and say me I got better myself. Don't get ignorant put on shelf. Don't get ignorant put on shelf. Alright. Why must I say so now? Is he saying that him not gonna be like some artists where go sign for a bigger company and then get ignorant put on a shelf? And that he must say? Because obviously he must do it by himself. He not signed to nobody like that. How can I do it by himself, right? We know that. So him cut him on a key. Him been telling that. Him been telling that, bro.
They look and up, no present for elf. I can't me them a leave it. Somebody else.
Yo, me no look hands out, no present from elf. Santa suck your mother. Walla bang. We not look no hands out from no elf. We not look no present from no elf, brother. No, we do it by ourselves, bro. We ought to start do it by ourselves. What the fuck? Like, I am my own boss. Like, boss for boss, done for done. I'm done to that already. Run it.
Yeah, you know. Chat with chat. Good to good. Bad to bad.
What I'm saying? Day in, day out. What I'm saying?
Yeah, you know. Chat with chat.
Hold on, man.
Ignorant put on shelf. They look and up, no present for elf. I can't.
Alright, so we get the part there. Now look no handout. Now look the present from elf. Alright, cool.
Me them a leave it. Somebody else. Yeah, you know. Chat with chat. Good to good. Bad to bad.
Good to good, bad to bad. Sometimes coffee, sometimes tea. But whatever day it is, him still out there and make free one. Am I getting things right? Am I making sense, guys? Let me know in the comment section.
Multiple. Add. All in all. You know hear what I want.
Multiple, add, all in all. You know hear what I want. No subtraction, no a theme thing when it comes to money. Better, I'm one of the G I talk about. I'm one of the G I make. Add up. Multiple. Yes, multiplications. Money. You know hear what I want.
Them way they are nothing, no time. I'm checking money where I make. I know couldn't stay calm. She say me.
So, I go back again to what him said earlier on. Enough couldn't stay calm. Enough couldn't stay calm for real.
Look nice, remember when me did one, I'm going shot kill, so accomplishment.
Yeah, remember the first time I got fired. Me can't talk about the part. Remember the first time I got fired. Before I got fired, no girl no one look at me. You see when me touch down back, oh God. What go on? Me say, who that? Me say, me remember you, no guy remember saying, remember we got school. Suck your mother. Them think me they have one of them times. Me still broke the blood clot. Looking at my wallet. Broke like what? But yeah.
Excitement make it thing flourish. Fear we advance, don't ask forget punish.
Hold on.
Excitement make it thing flourish. Fear
No bag of excitement make the thing flourish. For every doubters, for everybody who did doubt Alkaline from 2011 till now, if you get punished. Who did doubt the G? The whole music fraternity, not the fans, I mean, no. The whole music fraternity was going up against Alka. There was just a few that was standing beside Alka, or standing with Alka. So I must say the whole of them forget punished. Because them did doubt the youth. We can't downplay Alkaline work when put in. We can't downplay the greatness what the G do. We can't do it. We cannot do it.
every advance, don't ask forget punish. Give myself homage, not discourage. Represent that the era life coverage.
Him give himself homage. Him not give nobody homage. Him not give nobody homage. Him tell you say, yo, him give himself homage. Him have to give himself homage. Him have to pat himself on the back because of him go do it. No key never cut for him. Him never get no easy way. So guess what? Me not look up to no now. Me not give no homage. That's what the G say. Vines. Yeah.
Yeah, we're glad so we can do it like this. Influence not the world gigantic.
Yo, we're glad so we can do it like this. We're glad so we can do it like this. Guess what? You see the influence in the world? Gigantic. And a fact. Alkaline is known worldwide. Alkaline is known for for being alkaline. Yeah.
Now no fear, not even the slightest. Now move frantic, make it cheddar like we.
We're not no fear in the world, brother. We're not afraid of nothing, dog. We go up against anything. Yeah? Gigantic. Yeah, road.
Now no fear, not even the slightest. Now move frantic, make it cheddar like we.
Yeah, man, we not move jiggery. We not move frantic. Make the cheddar, make the money, make the moolah, make the bang bang, make the right quick. Yes. Bye.
Skyscraper the pan top around the top. Whip just by me no father laugh.
Skyscraper the pan top around the top. Whip just by him no say father laugh. Father Rooster. R.I.P. Father Rooster. You know say him lose him father a couple years ago. So the G I tell us say yo whip just by him know say him father up above. I look down upon him son and I say yo I'm proud of my son, you know. Guess what? I'm proud of my son. I like it.
Yo me want that money ask way cost. Millionaire what a ass. You know hear what go on.
Yo, more on that. Yo, bring that phone and come. More on it. Me not care how much it costs. You know why? Me rich, millionaire, rich out, mean out. That's a real big baller lifestyle, listen. Me no need for asking a price. Yo, bring that come. Me need that. Yeah, whether house, cars, property, land, whatever it is. How expensive it is, I don't care. I'm not asking a price. That's how the GS right so.
Them way they are not no time. I'm checking money we I make enough couldn't stay calm. She say me.
So him go back again and tell us, say, yo, check the money we make enough couldn't stay calm. The banner tell us him rich out, brother.
Look nice, remember when me did one gunshot kill, so accomplishment time. Change the garments, put on the modest.
Yo, Alkaline smart, you know, dog. Alkaline smart, you know, brother. Like, me know say Alkaline have a whole heap of song record and put on in the dog. But the boss is very calculated in how him drop them and when him drop them and where him drop them, brother. I swear to God.
Do me thing get paper, turn me abyss. Watch you up the bodies, still me be modest. Want your business, shut up me off this yama.
Yo. What you say about that one, yeah? Let the fans, what you say about that one, dog? What you say? Remember I know. We are pause and a breakdown where the G say. So, like me say, anybody come in the conversation, come tell me, say, yo, me I chat too much, because suck on the mother, man. Brawling, man. Brawling!
Don't answer me over to myself. Don't get ignored and put on shelf. They look hand up, me present for help.
Once I get Alkaline, you know how me always say, we need a video. Hopefully the video forward after what the song name when Dangerous Youth. After Dangerous Youth, then we need a video for this. Make it up, no accomplishment. Big song.
Can't me them a David, somebody else. They you know, chat with chat, good to good, bad to bad.
Yeah, man, I don't want to write this song, guys. I do the same thing. I that's the first part of the song, then put at the last again. So big up the production team behind that one. Let me see if I can go give them proper big up, accomplishment. Why I can never put wow? Oh yeah, he did it. Brought to you by Start Out Records and Atabam Records. Big up on the set, production team. I can with another one, man. What the fuck do the man? What to say about that one and do Vendetta fans? Only a brother on artist, on the appe, let's go.
Multiple, add, all in all. You know
hear what go on, eh? You know hear what go on. Drop a like on the blood clot video that I go on. You hear me say? Drop a like on the video, because none never message me and tell me say that song I dropped from last night. Wicked or no wicked, because I do it from this morning, but I'm still there. I'm late. Yeah. Yes. Click on any one of them two videos if you get the next Alkaline reaction. Don't even come off our channel. Let's subscribe. Yeah. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rip connect.